Welcome to BCCBroadCast. My name is Daniela Koka. I'm from Lucas School of Fashion and Design, and I'm the trainer for Lucas. Today we are going to do sheer tube top. We normally call this top the elastic top. For example, if you want to take the measurement for the sheer tube top, you have to add 10 inches plus 2 inches for your bust. If your bust, for example, if your bust is 36, you have to add 12 inches more so that it will fit you. So I'm going to take the measurement for this one now. The length is 20, and I'm going to add 2 inches for hemming and bending down. So I'm going to draw the lines. Let me draw the line. Doing the cutting. I've already cut the fabric, and this is the length of the fabric, and this fabric is cotton fabric. I'm going to take it now to the machine to do the thread work. Okay, this is the type of thread we normally use to do this type of top. This is how we weave it. I'm going to place it inside the bobbin case now. Now I'm going to do my sheer top. This is how you do the top now. Line, do the back stitch and continue. Okay, I've come to the other line now. The gathers is coming out because of the thread remove. Okay. This kind of top is a very nice one. You can wear it with trousers or plain skirts. the stitches are made, look like it becomes stretchy. See? It becomes stretchy. That's it. See? It becomes stretchy. It's because of the type of thread we use. We use the elastic thread to do it. That's why it comes out like this. I'll finish the stitches. Now I'm going to lock it to see how it looks like. I'm not going to use the elastic thread anymore. I'm just using the plain thread now to lock the sheer top. I'm done. Okay, the sheer top is finished, so I'm going to wear it to see how it looks on me. So let me put it on now. It looks good on me. Is that not so? It looks good on me. I know there's others will like it. For example, if I want to go to a party, somebody invited me to a party, I will just take my material and cut. I'll sew it in just a 15 or 20 minutes time. And also the students, we teach them how to do this type of garments. Most of them like to do it because it's more easier to do than to sew the basic dress or the basic crop top. Okay, I have finished the sheer top, and now the students are here working with their garment. For example, this one is doing the skirts, basic skirts, and we taught them how to do the finishing. They should not do any dress or any design they are doing. They should finish it properly because that will help them to get work in the international market. And this one was done, this crop top was done by one of the students. And we always teach them how to do the seam finishes. As you can see, the finishing is very neat. As you all know that Lucas School of Fashion and Design, we train them to be professionals. So when they go out, they will be employed. As you know that Lucas has been in existence for more than 2 decades now. Lucas School of Fashion and Design is the first school of fashion and design in Sierra Leone and is the #1 school of fashion and design. We are unique in a different style because the courses we are offering is very good. We train them how to create their own style. If they first of all do it on the paper, they do the draft their design on the paper before they place it to the fabric. After that, they sew it.